Hello guys, today I am going to explain about Java variables and data types. Variables are used to store data in Java programs and data types are the type of data held by the variable like int x equal to 10. X is a variable, int is a data type and 10 is a value assigned to them. There are three types of variable: local, global and final variable. Local variable are variable declared inside a method, constructor or block. These are the temporary variable. These are stored in stack memory. These variable cannot access outside the method. Local variable has no default value. The value should be initialized. There is a class test and in which one method void display in which I have declared int x equal to 10 and print out that value. In public static void main function, create the object of that test class and then call the display method. And this x value we cannot access without method. Global variables are variable declared outside a method and outside a method but inside the class with public protected access specifier. Global variable are two types, static and instance variable. So instance variable are variable declared within the class and outside the method. Instance variable are initialized during declaration or inside the method or a class. Access specifier public, private and protected added to them. Instance variable are called when the object of the class is created and initialize the memory. There is again a test class and declared when variable message and give that value instance variable to that message. Call the display method and then in which declare local variable and display that value. And in the main function declare the object of the test class and then message value should be print out through system out.println and then call display method. Static variables are declared with the static keyword. Variable declared outside the method but inside the class with static keyword. It can be accessed directly through the class name. No object declaration is needed. Example like again a test class and declare one string variable company name and give the static keyword and assign the value text tag to them. And in the main function just call through the class name dot that company name, so that value will be print out. Final variable are variable declared with final keyword. Final means remain constant. These final keyword is added to global variables. Value never be changed when we give the final keyword to any global variable, either static or non-static. Like one static variable company name and we have put final keyword in front of them, and a value we have given as a final keyword with a 10. And in the main function through the class name dot that company name variable will call and give the value of a also, so the value is remain same throughout the class. Variable types are called data types. Int age equal to 25 or string name equal to Sonia. There are two types of data type, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data type are divided into non-numeric and numeric data type. Non-numeric like boolean and char. Numeric type is like integer and floating point. Integer has again classified into byte, short, int, long, and floating divided to float and double. And in non-primitive is a string, array, enum, interface, etc. There are 8 primitive data types: byte, short, int, long. They have their specific range, so you can check it here. And based upon this range, we can declare the variable of that type. Float, byte, short, int, long. These all are integer values. It based on size, we just declare the variable float. It stores the fractional number, so storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. And in the double, it's 15 to 16 decimal digits. Boolean store true or false value, and char store a single character or ASCII value. Non-primitive data types are reference types that do not store actual value directly. They store a reference to the memory location where the data is kept. String, array, class, interface, enum are non-primitive data types. String is a easy. Array is of one int of numbers array and give 4 values to it. Class I have to declare, and inside that class declare one variable string model value and declare the object of that class and initialize the memory. Interface is a set of methods or variables without any definition or without any body. Enum, we have fixed the constant values there. For the upcoming video, I will let you know about the strings. So this will be an amazing topic. So please to be continued. Thank you. I hope this video help you. Please support my channel by liking this video and subscribing for more tutorials on Java, Selenium, Test and GBDD, Maven, Playwright.